It was a beautiful day for a run. Now it's time to restore some of those carbohydrates with a nice pasta meal. I'm gonna make some just basic, genuine marinara sauce. Okay, so let's get to it. For our recipe, 5 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of chili flake, 4 to 5 basil leaves, some peeled tomatoes, and olive oil. Let's peel the garlic and slice the cloves into thin pieces. Next, we're going to get our basil leaves and stack them, and then bundle them and roll them very tight. The next thing we're going to do is slice them very thinly. This is actually a French technique called chiffonade. Next, let's open our canned tomatoes, put them in a bowl, and use a potato mash or your hands just to squeeze them. Let's now get a 1/4 cup of olive oil, put it into a pan, put our garlic in that pan, and let the garlic cook for about 30-40 seconds. Then we're going to add the tomatoes. Now you're just going to basically let the sauce cook. You've got it on basically a medium setting right now, and just watch the sauce, stir it occasionally, and after a little while you'll see a nice little orange color. And we're going to put a little water in the can just to get the extra remaining bits of tomato out and into the pan. And you notice we picked a wide skillet, not too deep, because we're going to let all that water evaporate to make the sauce nice and thick. All right, let's add our salt. Next, add our chili flakes. And finally, we're going to add those basil strips. It's going to provide a nice flavor for our sauce. And let's just keep that on a simmer. Again, stirring it, making sure the garlic and everything is mixed in there very well. And we're going to let that sit and stir for about 20 to 25 minutes. Eventually, you'll see it thicken, and just pour it out of the spoon and determine when you want to basically turn it off. And it looks like it's just about ready. So let's let that set aside, and now let's get our water on the cooktop so that we can boil that. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt into that. Maybe just take a little pan of the ocean right now, which looks nice on a day like today. And everything gets better with a bottle of Duckhorn Cab. Our water is boiling, so we're going to add the pasta. We're going to try the thin spaghetti today. Okay, 15 minutes is up, and let's drain the pasta. Now, I don't know about you, but I think the cameraman got a head start on that red wine, as he fails to get my head in the frame. And how much sauce you use, it's all up to you. This marinara sauce can be served with about 1 pound of pasta. Now look at the vibrant color of those tomatoes. Let's see how we did. Just enough garlic. Here's to another episode of The Running Chef. So, what can be better on a perfect day than having a nice, red, beautiful marinara sauce and finishing it? Well, maybe some leftovers. But as fate has it, even though it was a beautiful day and we had some beautiful sauce made, that sauce didn't last in the refrigerator very long. Some of my friends came over, made them some pasta, and reheated the rest of that marinara sauce for the 3 of us. Let's see how they like it. The second batch of pasta I made today. Put some Marrier over. our guests at the restaurant. What do you think, guys? Why don't you dig in and let me know what you think?
Okay, let's dig in. Here, hold on. Cheers. Cheers. Digging in. I'm going right for the sauciest part.
Oh, good.
Oh, fantastic.
What do you think, Rich? All
Compliments.
right, it's good.
Compliments to the
Mr. Ryan,
chef.
man. All right. He's going to run how many miles tomorrow?
I don't know, just 2.5 hours.
Oh, my God. The perfect dish to train for the New York City Marathon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.